What's up, guys? We're going to be taking a look at the Tilston Stage 3 build. Slowly coming together. Just a quick oversight. I'll go over the engine specs. Got the new LED pods up, but let's talk about the engine real quick. We did a few things to it since the last time. It already had the governor delete. We did the crankshaft 2.205 stroke. We did the standard fin billet flywheel. We did the Tilston Racing billet connecting rod for the inside. We did the Fire 265 cam. We upgraded the side cover gasket. We did the head cover gasket as well. We did another spark plug upgrade. We did the Auto X one. We did the Go Power Sports skinny center exhaust. As you see, it's wrapped in blue. We did 26-pound springs. We did a Tilston Racing forged flat top piston. To combine with that rod, it's a really good combo. I'd recommend it. And we did dual valve spring kit and titanium retainers. So it got quite a few things. We're still waiting on the Mikuni as far as the carburetor goes. We're probably gonna do like a 28mm slide. So as soon as that comes through, the customer will ring it. Got the throttle hooked up more or less. Literally good to go. But let's go over a few things that we added. I mean, you guys, I don't know if you guys saw the oil cooler. Real simple installation. We used hose clamps. Real easy to do. You just tighten them up from the back, can't go wrong. And then we connected one to the valve cover. Also waiting on a new valve cover to come in. It's gonna be a billet one, but go ahead, you can go ahead and tighten that up. And then we have one that drains. This is the one that goes in, out. Pretty simple stuff. Let's take a look at some other things. We got the throttle. These are the pods. So they're 4-inch pods. We went with yellow to test it out. I had them laying around. And we just wanted to see, we gotta pop these little bubbles. We wanted to see what they're gonna look like, and the color combo ended up being super sick. We're trying to get some LED handlebar lights as well. So once those come in, those will be regular. These will be like the off-road ones, which is pretty cool, I think. I think the color looks amazing. And they have a real nice stance as well to them. Like on the bike, how they look, I really like them. Show off the little 2-piece wheels. Yeah, I think it's real nice. Once the customer saw the yellow lights, and it took a few minutes for him to like them, to grow on them since they're yellow. You know, not everybody's a big fan of yellow. He went ahead and grabbed valve caps, which are pretty cool. The 2-piece wheel looks super badass. Paint is Nardo gray with a pearl 1K finish. We did like 3-4 coats of that. It's a little hard to see, but once we take it on the sun, you'll be able to see it a lot better. Also pretty good brake lever, fully adjustable for anyone wondering. Adjust the 6 adjustments. So it basically pulls it out. If I go on the 6th one, you see it pulls out the brake lever all the way too. Then if you go on 1, it pulls it closer to you. Really cool. And then you got the clear with the blue to match. Really cool. We already talked about dampener. Really cool thing. Take a few other things. The seat's a placeholder. He'll be getting a custom seat. We just wanted to kind of get a feel for it, how everything's looking. And we got the back wheel custom painted to match everything. Also 2-piece. Oh, it's gonna look real cool. Also waiting for the Go Power Sports RVL muffler. He wants it silent, so it's gonna go here, and in the back, we're gonna have modified mini bikes. They make these really cool holders for lights. So we're gonna get a holder for the light in the back. So that's gonna be that. Really cool. We got the sprocket right here for it. It will have to get shaved down for anybody wondering, because this sprocket seems to be a lot thicker than the OEM, obviously. So it's gonna need to be shaved down a little bit, but that's no biggie. What happened here? A little bearing popped out. There you go. Get it back in there. Boom. Bearing back in. We'll double check that once we take it out. But these are really cool cabs. Love them. So that's the tank. We'll look around this side. Back looks really good. That's the dragster build over there. We're still working on 300cc. Gonna be something real special. You guys are gonna love that. But this is the quick update on this one so far. I think I showed you guys the tires last time. These are the tires. These are the new Go Power Sports 15-inch tires. See if I can pull one out. Show you. We did the white lettering. Really cool, really cool. I'll show you guys the pen I used. Let me see. They sell these at any auto sports store, so they got all kinds of colors, white, blue. That's the one to get. All right, well, thanks for tuning in, guys. That's the build so far. Quick updates. We're still waiting on the custom tank, which is gonna take the spot right here, which is gonna be really, really cool. And then we'll also work out all the wiring kinks for connecting it to a drill battery powered battery. So the lights can be working properly. But yeah, let me know what you guys think in the comments.